So everyone, you join me at the back of my car looking to install some LED rear number plate light bulbs. Old and the new. And there is basically everything. So in essence what happened for me is my rear light bulb for the number plate lights decided to go. So I thought instead of just changing them to normal ones, I'm going to switch it up to LEDs. Now I got these off from eBay and they look pretty good, to be honest with you. So here are the old ones, which look pretty tired now. So it's quite simple to do really. So you get this connector here with it. This plugs into where the old one would go into. So the old light bulb. So you just disconnect the old unit, you plug this in to where the old light bulb would have been, and then you connect this over into here, just there. Let me show you guys how I mean it. Always do a test run before fitting them on. Whoa, that is bright. That's nice. Pretty simple, quick install. So you join me down here now. Very quickly, it's quite easy to take these off. I'd recommend using one of these as well. So all you're really doing is prying it off. I think the connector goes onto this side. So what you're trying to do is trying to push this one in, slide it out, and then it'll slide out like that. So you ideally want to do it from the left side. Pop out, push in, pop out, and then it will come out. Now this, where the old bulb used to go, if I can find. So this is how you disconnect the unit. Or this one I've disconnected it. And then you should be able to slide or rotate this off. Damn, this one's untight. Whew. How on earth? This one looks like it's welded on. So you basically take out the old bulb, you slide this piece into where the old bulb used to sit, which is here. I'm going to try and get some pliers and disconnect this off. Well, that was on there very tight. Had to use the pliers to twist it and then pop it off. But eventually got it off. So you need the connector still. You don't need the bulb anymore. You slide this into here. So you can see it looks like the end of the clip as well. And then from this, you basically connect these two up together. And then you reconnect it. And then best thing to do before you slide these in is just to go inside and double check that it all works. And yep, they both work. That looks good to me. You can just slide these back in. Sorry, you're supposed to disconnect this side first and then pop the other part in. Voila. That's it. So yeah, that is it. You can get rid of your old bulbs. You can get rid of your old bulb housing if you really want to, or if you want to keep them, you can do. So in order to take these off, you just slide the wedge in there, and then you pop it out, and it will come out from the top. Just like use one of these or something like that. If you can, then use the other side, whichever side basically works for you. Just be careful you don't damage the bumper, because you know it's your bumper. You're gonna keep that part, hopefully. So yeah, that's a quick install of the LED lights. Now, if you would like to purchase these ones for the E63, this is the car that I've got, BMW 650i. I think it's the same for the other E63 body model shapes and everything like that, including the M6. Then hit the link down below and you'll be able to get these. These are the best ones that I've been able to find so far at the moment. If you have any other questions or anything, then feel free to hit me up on Instagram or in the comments down below, and I'll be able to get back to you. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.